how to create a free WordPress website with free domains and free hosting. Hi guys, today I'm going to teach you how you can create your own free website using free WordPress through this platform called Pantheon.io. Now the first thing we're going to do is we're going to click this button on the top right, and then this will redirect us to the sign up page. You can sign up by entering your first name, last name, company name, your work email, and then password. Or you could sign up to Google by clicking this. Now over here, we are redirected to the dashboard of Pantheon.io. We have three options over here. We could either create a new website, migrate existing site, or set up for my team. What I'm going to select is to create a site. And then over here, we have different options such as WordPress, Drupal, or we can have the custom upstream. Of course, we're going to click on the WordPress. And then over here, it's going to ask us to name our Pantheon site. I'm going to put in Coffee World. And as you can see over here on the right side, this is our Pantheon URL. You would have to then choose a region for the site. We're going to select United States. We're going to click on Continue. And then after that, we would be redirected to this page. And as you can see, WordPress is currently being deployed. We're simply going to wait for it for a few minutes to finish creating our WordPress. Now that it's completed, we're going to click this button over here that says Visit Your Pantheon Site Dashboard. Now over here, we have a lot of things that we are saying. This is the back end of our WordPress. This is where we will be able to enter codes, see the merge, status, database files, see the errors, the domains, the backup, security, and New Relic. What we're going to do is we're going to click on this option over here on the top left where it says Visit Development Site. Over here, it's going to ask us to enter our language. We're simply going to choose English, then click on Continue. Then we're going to enter a site title name. I'm going to enter Coffee World, just like that. Enter a username. We're going to type in this username. Then we could enter an email, our email over here, like that. We could also enable this option over here where we can discourage search engine from indexing the site. Then after that, we're going to click on Install WordPress. And just like that, WordPress has been installed. We're then going to click on Login. We're going to enter our username and then our password. We could either make it remember us or not. We're going to click on Login. And now over here, we are at the dashboard of WordPress. This is where we will be creating our webpage. Now, the first thing we're going to do is we're going to click on Plugins and then click on Add New. And then the first thing we're going to search is Elementor. And then we're going to install this plugin over here. Click on Install Now. And then after installing, we're simply going to click on Activate. Now after installing and activating Elementor, we're simply going to search for Astra next. Enter. Then we're going to install this starter template over here. Click on Install Now. And then we're going to activate it just like the Elementor. And over here, we can see all the plugins that we have. These are all the plugins that are currently installed for us to use. We could add more plugins by doing the same thing we did earlier by clicking on Add New. But right now, we're going to click on the C library under the starter templates over here. And now we are redirected to this page where we will be selecting a page builder. We're going to click on Elementor. And then over here, we can see different templates that we are now allowed to edit through the plugin that we have installed earlier. We're simply going to choose any of the templates that we see over here, or you could search for a starter template, or you could check out specific templates designed for business, local businesses, personal care, professionals, personal sites, community, e-commerce, or blogs, or you could choose from the popular templates that we are seeing right now. There are some templates that are premium, as you can see over here, which would need you to upgrade your plan so that you can access this. But for now, we're going to choose a simple one. I'm going to choose this template over here, the planet Earth. And over here, we can see a preview of the template that we are going to edit. This is the website. This is what the website would look like. And over here on the left side, we are being asked to upload a logo, but for now, we're not going to add. So we're going to click on skip and continue. We could change the colors and font. We could change it to this color. As you can see, it's changing. Going to go with this color for now. You could also change the font to different fonts, just like that. And then we're going to click on continue. Then we're going to enter our name, our work email. I'm a beginner building a website for myself. And you can see all the advanced options that we can have, such as install and activate Azure theme, import customizer settings, import widgets, and make more. We're going to click on submit and build my website. And then we're going to wait for this to finish building our website. Then after that, we're simply going to click on view your website. And this is our website as of now. Now, the next thing we're going to do is we're going to look up here. We have this different options on the top. We have customize, new, edit page, edit with Elementor, and WPF forms. What we're going to click on is the edit with Elementor, and then we will be redirected to the Elementor editing page. And just like that, we are now able to edit this page that we have. We can simply click on specific parts that we want to edit. For example, this endless potential. I'm going to enter nature and environment, just like that. We could add a URL link for the specific title. We could change the size. We could add HTML tags. We could change the alignment from left to center, right, and then justified, just like that. We could edit the style by changing the text color, the typography, the text stroke, text shadow, blend mode. We could also check out the advanced settings where we can edit the margin, the padding, the width, position, CSS ID, motion effects, transform, and many more options over here. We can also edit this button over here. We can change the name to start, just like that. As you can see, it changed the wording. We could add a link to the specific button. We could change the alignment also from left, center, right, justified. Justified would make it fit the entire page, just like that. We could change the size to small to extra small, large, just like that. We could add an icon. We could add icon spacing, make a button ID, many more. We could change the styles as well. We'd also edit the specific photos over here by clicking on them, and then we can click this to change the image. We can change the image size to different sizing. We could change the alignment also. Over here, we could add a caption if we want. We could add a link. Once again, we could edit the style of the image, and we could also edit this advanced option over here. Now, if you don't want an entire section, for example, this section where it shows the web design, graphics design, and content creation, I could simply click over here and click on delete section, or we could edit the section, or we could add a new section. I'm going to click on delete section, and that will remove that entire section. Also going to remove this, and just like that. I could add widgets over here. I could also add a new section, add a template, or go back to the starter template from earlier. By clicking add a new section, we would be able to choose the structure of our new section. I'm going to choose this structure, and this will provide us with this format. And then we could just click on the add, and then we can choose what we want to add over here. For example, I'm going to add a text editor. I'm going to drag it onto that area, and just like that, we have our message over here. And over here, let's say I want an image, I could drag it over here. And as you can see, the text and image are side by side because that is the column design that we chose. Now, after playing around and after editing your web page, you can simply go over here on the bottom left and click on update. After updating, you can click on preview changes by clicking this eye icon over here. And this is what our page looks like right now. You can see the things that we have edited, just like the nature and environment. The button over here, we deleted the section also. And that's it, guys. That's how you can create your own free website through WordPress and through the Pantheon.io. And that's it, guys. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching.